Hi guys, so this video will show you how to set up a customer relation management system and of course a project management system whereby you can manage your clients, your customers, projects, leads, etc. So this software is in detailed. It is a one-time payment for lifetime access, and I can help you set it up in 48 hours. Just contact me with what you're seeing on the screen. It requires a fee. So let's just slide into the dashboard and how it looks like. I'm going to explain bit by bit of what it does, of how easy it's going to be for your business when you have the software. And of course, this software is a SaaS software in the sense that you can sell as a subscription for people to even use. So it's easy peasy and it's lovely when you have a business, you have a project, you have a contract, like you need to monitor, manage. This is the best software for you. Now, this is dashboard. You can see all of the overview, invoice, estimations, proposals, to do. Everything is here. It makes work easy for business aspects. Now, this is where the customer section is. Customers, can have people, sign up and you can have information such like contacts. Anybody that comes in on the platform receive their contacts and etc. And of course, coming back to the dashboard again, like I said, it has so many overview, but let's just slide back again. Coming back to the sale, you can set a proposal. Proposal is maybe you need to set a proposal for something, a business or a project, and you just use this software easily. The software can set it for you. Just set up the name of everything, maybe the costs, everything to take you. This software will do that for you. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, no stress. And it can even help you draft it and send everything to probably where you want to send it and every other thing. And now it has estimate. You can estimate maybe cost of something and you can calculate it here. It has invoice, has payment, credit notes. You can add items as well. It also has subscription whereby you can sell a service for people to use this software. Like I said, you can make money from that. People can pay you monthly for them to use the software if you have it yourself. Also, you can calculate your expenses, how much is the cost of this, that, so it's easy for you to manage your expense and the likes. Maybe everything that you know that, okay, fine, today we need to spend this, tomorrow we need to spend this for a month. So you calculate all your total expenses for the month. Contract is also enables you to manage contracts. If you have contract with somebody, you will know, you'll see, you know the contract type, you know the amount, the value, when is contract ending, what kind of contract is that, is it a short-time contract or long-time contract? This can help you manage that. So easy, just easy. Project is where you set the project timeline. Maybe you're working on the project, you want to know if project has started, the project is in the middle, project has ended, is in progress, is successful, is it declined, where is the deadline? So it helps you to just, it's easy. The customer management tools, the project management tools that helps all kind of business to a standard level in a way that they can manage it easily. So tax, can set tax for yourself. When you want to do this tomorrow by this time, want to do this next tomorrow, you have someone to send all of this. So it enables you to manage your tax. You can time your tax, it enables you to do that. So we'll just go there, okay, I have so tax, so time, so it helps you do that. So that's support option that when you have issues can also tell your customers can also reach out. And leads is when you have maybe potential clients, maybe when somebody is trying to buy something or pay for your project, so you need to put that person as a lead, and you will now put it on the stage by stage. The date you're supposed to follow up, what you discussed, have you converted that person to a client? Is he a client yet? So all of this thing is leads. So leads encompasses information when to do follow-up, etc. Just put all information here. You can even export them as a sheet for that, especially request when you estimate requests on something and etc. Utility, other things I can export, add calendar, add goals, surveys, etc. And of course, reports on every other thing that it works. In the SEO setup, it's about every aspect of the software. This is easy. You can set it up for your business. Just contact me via the description on the screen and I'll be set up for you in 48 hours. Like I said, it's a one-time payment for a lifetime access. So have this and skyrocket your business to the highest level. So guys, if you have any questions, drop in the comment section or reach out to me directly and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.